Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope everybody has heard about Pyscript. Now you can actually run your most favorite programming language, that is Python, in the HTML. So here you can see this is the Pyscript page, and yes, with inside the HTML itself you can write any kind of Python script and run it. So in this video we are going to see a lot of examples, and I'm also going to play a Mario game, and that is also available because of the Pyscript itself, and we can run that in the web browser itself, and we'll try to play that game also as we go ahead. Please make sure that you watch this video till the end. Press the bell notification icon, subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and let's try to see. So this is the entire Pyscript page. Over here you can see you can directly download it, and with respect to installation, you don't need to install anything. I'll show you, because just by using some tag and some scripts that you basically need to write in your code, automatically you'll be able to write all the code of Python within the HTML itself. And yes, you can basically see it enables the drop-in content, external file hosting and all. Yeah, similar like how we do it in JavaScript, we can also write the same thing. The syntax is almost similar like Python itself, right? Now coming to this, this is basically the documentation on GitHub page where I specifically go over here. You'll be able to see this. If you want to install it, if you want to go and write the code, everything you can basically do from it. I've anyhow done the setup. You can follow this instruction and do the entire setup in your local also. Now let's see some of the examples, how you can get started, and we'll try to see what this specific code do and all. So I'm just going to go to my Visual Studio. Over here, this is one example of this Pyscript. Okay. Now, what all things are there? First of all, we need to include this pyscript.css, which is responsible for handling the styling part. And then in order to include the Python script itself, we basically have to include this script, like how we include the JavaScript itself. And this is basically the location from where we can directly call, and then pyscript.js will get automatically called over there. And from that, you can actually write your own Python script itself. And in order to write the code inside the body, you can see that whenever you really want to write a Python script, you can basically write this Pyscript tag. And within this tag, whatever code you're writing with respect to Python, you'll be able to do this. Now, this particular code looks very simple. Here you're basically printing, let's compute pi, and you have defined a function which is called as valis. Over here you're specifically giving some values, for loop, apply the formula, and return the pi value. And internally you're calling the function, and then finally you're printing this specific value, right? And how easy it is, because we usually do this in JavaScript also. Now with the help of Python also, you'll be able to write script within the HTML, right? Now this is there inside the body. I've basically written the Pyscript code. In the head part, you have to basically import these two libraries, that is one of CS and one is pyscript.js. Now if I try to run this code, test.html, no need to create server also. So this is my test.html. So here if I reload it, here you'll be able to see, let's compute pi is approximately 3.142. right? And anything you want to basically write, you probably want to create a graphs, you want to do it, you want to create matplot graph, you want to create some dynamic graph, you want to import a Seaborn graph, everything will now be available in the HTML content itself. And this was not possible before because we used to only play with Jupyter Notebook. Here are some of the examples that I really want to show it to you so that you will be able to find all the modules at one side. Let me just go through this packages once, and here is okay, this is there. It is saying that you can actually use it in VS Code and edit your code itself. So a lot of examples is basically given. If you probably see over here like this, and probably you want a complex example, you can just copy this and just try it. So here two things will get displayed, and you can also play with the styling part. That part of the code also I'll try to explain. So I'm just going to copy and paste it over here. Now see over here, as usual, we have imported this too, right? Bootstrap mean.js is also, CSS is also used so that it gives us a better view with respect to web browser and mobile also. Okay, now see the body part. Okay, so today is, I've given a label which is called as ID today. So basically today is what date, and that thing, if you really want to display inside this label, we'll be using this specific ID. And then for the pi, we are creating another div so that the pi value will be visible over here, and we can apply any kind of styling that we want. Okay, that is what we're doing. Now see, inside this Pyscript code, we have written import datetime as dt, and whenever I need to write inside this HTML content, I will basically write pyscript.write. Okay, and then I have to give my ID So ID is nothing but today, and whatever information you want to give inside this, you will be able to write it over here. So it will automatically understand, okay, this is the label ID you basically want, and you will be able to write it over here. Perfect, right? Now, basically in this section, you will be able to find out that, okay, I will be able to get the date over there. Okay, and if I go and see, this is basically the same pi formula, and with respect to this, I am also writing pi.write in pi ID. So pi ID is nothing but inside this div, right? So this is very simple, right? In JavaScript also we basically do this, and I'll also be telling you with respect to JavaScript, and I'll try to compare Pyscript. Pyscript is a little bit slow, okay, but JavaScript is super fast, okay. But yes, let's see in the future how it goes on, but this is a very good start with respect to Python. So here you can see Pyscript.write and all are there. So I'll save this file and I'll show you after running it and how it looks like. So I'm going to go to my test.html, and here it is. So today is now Thursday, May 05, 2022. Pi is approximately 3.142. So in short, you are also able to apply the styling in the HTML, and along with that, you are able to put that content on that specific div or label, and you'll be able to see the content. Now, there are a lot of examples that are already given in this. You can also create amazing charts. You can do multiple things. And again, all you have to do is that just have a look onto this, and probably you'll be able to see very, very handy examples in short. One more example is there. You can import modules. You can do multiple things. Let's see. If you really want to go ahead with this and also try, you can also do this here. Basically, matplotlib. A diagram is visible. Okay, so this is about the Pyscript. Definitely try it from your side. It is quite amazing, quite extensive. And now let me go and play. So here in the Pyscript itself, you have a lot of examples. One example is if you see in the source. So here you have, let's see the example section. Here you have something called as Mario. So Mario HTML is there, sound is integrated, everything is there. I've also made that setup in my local. So here you will be able to see the setup, the examples, Mario, and I'm trying to just run this Mario.html. So let's go ahead, and here you are, right? I hope everybody's played Mario. So let me just play it. And if I remember, I love this game so much, when I was playing with that console, I used to complete this game like so fast, like I've completed so many times. So let's go ahead and let's play this. Okay, so here you can see it is being able to jump. Oh man, I'm dead, but I'll repeat this game now. I died, it's okay. There's some problems with respect to the controls, but I'll try. So I hope you're not able to hear the audio because I'm not capturing the audio, but I hope everybody remembers the music. But I'll quickly complete this game. Okay. Yeah, I failed 2 times, but it's okay. We were able to do some amazing things. This was it from my side, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please make sure that you subscribe the channel. This is one amazing thing with respect to Pyscript. And yes, you also try it from your side and you will be able to do some amazing things itself. Thank you, one and all. Have a great day. Keep on rocking. Keep on learning. I'll see you on in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.